Negative 10 plus 10 gives us 0. And 0 times 2 over 2. 0 times any number gives us 0, and 0 over 2 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, not this addition. Because in PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition. So here, if you do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first 10 times 2, which gives us 20. So negative 10 plus 20 over 2. Now this addition, negative 10 plus 20 gives us 10. And 10 over 2 is just 5. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 5.